stain. A dirty mark that is difficult to remove. He used soap to remove the stain from his jacket. She spilled coffee on her white shirt and left a brown stain. Phenomenal. Extremely impressive, excellent, or extraordinary. The singer gave a phenomenal performance. The new technology had a phenomenal impact on the industry. Heir. A person who will receive money, property, or a title from someone after they die. The young prince was the heir to the throne. She became the heir to her grandfather's house. Collaboration. Working together with other people to achieve a goal. The artists worked in collaboration on a large painting. Good collaboration helped the team finish the project early. Sleek. Smooth, stylish, and modern in appearance. She bought a sleek new laptop for work. The company introduced a sleek new car design. Tactful. Careful not to upset people when speaking. She gave tactful advice without hurting his feelings. He gave a tactful answer to avoid an argument. Committed. Very dedicated to work hard for a goal or responsibility. She is committed to improving her English every day. He is committed to helping his community. Diligent. Working very hard and carefully. The diligent farmer worked carefully in the fields every day. He is diligent and always finishes his work on time. Bigot. A person who strongly dislikes people who are different from them. His bigoted comments upset many people. The bigot refused to listen to people with different opinions.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!